oil will go in oily water system, degasser.
Yeah, degasser. Yeah.
So let me open the hedge opener. Malfunction full open. What is tag number? 01. Loss of level in the second separator leading to the gas blow. Gas blow by they are saying. First, you have, what is the pressure of gas here? What is the pressure of gas?
Can you just well, what is that? Our design pressure here is I think design pressure of this one is.
I want to just explain my view. Let's say if this LCV is full open, so all water will go there. After all water, then oil will start going. Gas blow will never happen because the quantity of oil.
That's what we also
Yeah. Gas blow by will never happen because oil quantity is much more than the water quantity. It will keep going in the oil degasser. Correct?
Yeah, correct.
It will
correct.
It will not
In
gas
fact,
blow by.
it should have not been mentioned there in the HASOP, but it is mentioned.
Yeah.
But
yeah, this is not correct. Anyway,
yeah.
So we will not mention. We'll make our own assumption.
Yeah, please, because
Oil carry over.
Oil carry over to the system. Yeah.
Oil discover. Oil degasser.
No, just mention degasser. It's not oil degasser, actually. It's a water degasser. It's supposed to be produce water going there. Yeah.
But it is saying, you are saying?
To LP, no, to oily water, right?
Oily water
Not
degasser.
oil. So oily water, you can mention oily water degasser.
Water has to investigate.
Oily water.
Yeah, sure. We'll do it.
Yeah. What? Why? Yeah. Oily water degasser.
Investigate the low water level in the what is the equipment name?
Second stage, yeah. Second stage separator.
Separator and leading to take corrective action to avoid water.
To avoid oil carry over to the gasser.
Yeah.
Not water. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So we have how many minutes? 15 to 30 minutes?
You have this from low to low.
Oil.
No. Water. Interface.